Hi everyone, back here again with Chef Linda. Today I'm going to show you how to make ผัดกระเพราผัดกระเพรา means stir fry with hot basil. This dish is one of the top 5 most popular street food in Thailand. It's one of my favorite too. The main ingredient for this dish is hot basil. We don't have hot basil all year round like Thailand. It only comes around during summer season. To find a store that carry it even impossible. So I come up with a recipe to make it authentic and close enough like what we have in Thailand. Wanna see how I do it? Let's get started. To make ผัดกระเพรา first we start from making the sauce. This sauce is universal stir fry sauce. You can use it for vegetable stir fry, any meat stir fry, fried rice, noodle dish, or you can even use it to marinate the meat overnight for deep fry or grill. The sauce is very easy to make. I like to make mine in a big container and put it next on my counter to use. It can stay pretty long in a room temperature, like couple months. First we need sugar, 1.5 portion. You can use spoon, cups, anything. So this is 1.5. Then we need fish sauce. My favorite brand is this one, Mega Chef. Or I can go with Kaprow. Both are really good on my book. Okay, so we need 1 part of fish sauce. Then we need seasoning sauce. I use the Golden Mountain sauce, this one. If you can't find it, you can also use the thin soy sauce. Dragonfly brand is okay too. So we need 1 of this. And oyster sauce, my favorite brand. You can go with Panda oyster sauce too, not much different. But this one pretty thick. So there we go, 1. And to make the food taste very street-like, I like to add some salt to make it sharp. Just a little bit, you don't want it to like over salt it. Like this much should do. And then go ahead, mix it. MSG is optional. You can use canola or MSG, doesn't matter. Once the sauce is ready, mix. Then next proportion of the meat and vegetable. I use ground chicken today, around 7 ounces. For basil, we use this much. When you squeeze the basil, it should be the same size like the meat. Since it's weaker than hot basil, that's why we need to use a lot. Once we stir fry it, it's gonna be shrink down a lot. And for garlic, we use a whole garlic like this with the skin too. Just like smash it up. The proportion of garlic should be at least 1/3 of meat. Chili is optional. You can find this kind of chili in a frozen section in Asian market. Very convenient. Once we have this ready, you can add your own vegetable, say like bamboo shoot, green beans, bell pepper, onions, anything you like. But originally in Thailand, it only made with this combination. Roasted the garlic in medium heat. Add chili. This one is optional. Add meat. I like to add the sauce when meat is 50% cooked because if you add the sauce when the meat is still raw, it's gonna make the meat too dark. If you add the sauce when the meat is all the way cooked, it won't absorb the sauce. I'll try 3 spoons first. 1, 2, 3 spoons. And then I'm gonna add a spoon of water. Just to moisten up the meat. Once the meat is cooked, we're gonna throw in some basil. I think it's ready. So good. Yummy and easy in less than 5 minutes. Who doesn't like it? I hope you enjoyed the clip. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. See you next clip. Thanks for watching. Bye.